fam, what's good? It's good. I hope that you're all well and keeping safe. I hope that you all had an amazing day. Welcome back to another one. You know what? Today's Thursday. I'm not gonna find myself trading, but I will find myself monitoring price, right? You might wonder, like, why aren't you trading? Because I found myself having 3 beautiful trades, and you know what? Not every day needs to be a trading day. Okay, so let's see what NASDAQ have in store for us over the course of the New York Stock Exchange open. Let's see. I want to see NASDAQ basically have some sort of an actual push towards the upside, right? Buy side look right there. And now we are finding ourselves taking out some sell side liquidity with these beautiful relatively equal lows right there. So yeah, let's wait. We have a nice little swing point right there. I would like to see price have a closure above right there. Nice closure above would be highly appreciated. It would be highly appreciated, NASDAQ. So let's wait and see. So my main outlook, something like that. Entry would also be something like this. As long as we can find ourselves, you know what, accommodating that 1-to-2 ratio. So this will literally be my actual trading setup, right? Guys, keep in mind, right, even if we would find ourselves having a further push towards the downside, you know what, still, then I will just put my actual focus on this region right there, right? Because this is literally when we will find ourselves changing our structure. Keep in mind, these actual 2 lows over here, maybe if I can go on the 1 minute, right, they are quite relatively equal as well. So you know what, they need to be taken out. Maybe if I can monitor price more on the lower time frame. Let's look at the 2 minute. Let's look at the 2 minute. Even if the 2 minute finds itself having a closure above long, right? It's 15:30. Let's see. 2 minute. Let's see the 2 minute. Let's wait. Boom. There. You know what? Broken. Right? Not yet. I will find myself looking for longs. Not yet. Keep in mind, I'm not trading, right? But this is basically what I will find myself doing in normal market, situations. Wait. Clean on the 1 minute. Looks really clean. Just wait for that actual closure. Closure above in your longs. So a push, right? Wait for that push, for that pullback at least. We have to find ourselves coming back inside this region and then have some sort of an actual push from here onwards, right? So there's the pullback. Right, push back more, push a little bit more. That we need to find ourselves coming back here. Okay, so there, right, that's the longs right there. That is the longs. Well, okay, we haven't found ourselves tapping. So we wait a little bit, we want to see that pullback, we wait, there, so there's the longs, that's the longs right there, because even if I can go on the 2 minute, right, 2 minute we closed above, right? And now literally all it is a waiting game. It's not magic though. Looks like magic, but it's not magic. It's not magic. All right, guys, so 50% in, you know what, this is where you can then find yourself literally closing down your actual 1%, right? Because keep in mind, with you using a 1-to-2 ratio, you always want to find yourself paying off your next trade, right? So with you basically risking 1% to gain 2%, this is literally you closing down your 1%, putting your actual stop loss at break even, right? And now you literally just want to see whether you can find yourself getting that actual, the other 1%, right? And this is a full trade. So worst case scenario, if this trade, you know what, comes back, pull back on us, perfectly fine, because then you are walking away with 1% still, right? Boom, right? Take profit, smack to the T, right? Once again, guys, I literally did this so that you guys can see what I am doing, right? So if you find yourself liking this content, make sure that you find yourself hitting a like, hitting that subscribe button, hitting that comment section as well. You know what? I will highly appreciate it if you guys can share this content as well, right? So this is literally it from me, your boy D. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. I'm out.